her as like, it's like her lifestyle. It's just like how she lives and like all the things that she does. And so, yeah. Siobhan hasn't seen it yet. I can't imagine.
Talking about Gracie's backyard?
Yeah, Siobhan will love it.
Yep, it's a pretty cool farm. Well, hey folks, here we are, July 21st, seeding sunflower microgreens here out on the farm. As you see, we've got lots of helpers. We got one junior helper here, Siobhan. Siobhan, what is today? How old are you today?
4.5.
4.5. Today is Siobhan's 4.5 birthday. So since she's 4.5 years old, she's promoted to sunflower spreader. What do you think, honey? Do you like the job?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's fun, huh?
Yeah.
So what kind of seed are you spreading here?
Sunflowers.
Yeah, what are they going to grow into?
When they're big, sunflowers, and when they're yellow, sunflower microgreens.
That's right. First they'll be sunflower microgreens, and if we let them keep growing, they would turn into big sunflowers.
Yeah.
We've got some big sunflowers in the field, don't we? In fact, if I stand on top of the soil pile here and don't fall off it in the process, I don't know if people can see it on the camera, but there's some field sunflowers over there. Alrighty folks, that's it for this week. We'll see you next week.